The 200A multi-process welder is a versatile machine offering 4 distinct welding modes, including gas metal arc welding, flux-cored arc welding, stick welding, and lift tungsten inert gas welding. Its advanced synergic control, powered by insulated-gate bipolar transistor technology, ensures optimal voltage and wire feed speed, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced welders. The large LED display provides an intuitive interface, allowing users to easily monitor and adjust welding parameters for precise control over their projects. Safety is a priority with this welder, featuring built-in protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, thus extending the machine's lifespan. Included in the package are essential accessories such as a torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, conductive nozzles, and a gas hose, providing everything you need to get started. With dual voltage capability, this welder can operate on both 110-volt and 220-volt power sources, offering great flexibility for various welding environments.